Imagine you're sitting in the arena watching your favorite artist perform. You're surrounded by cheers and excitement from the crowd, and you've never felt more excitement in your life. In 2018, I started to go to concerts of my favorite artists. These included Shawn Mendes, Why Don't We, and others. I thought that it was so much fun that I decided to keep going. In 2019, I went to over 100 concerts in just 1 year. At most of the concerts, I made very fun memories and connections with the people around me and who I went with. Some of these I went with my best friend Paige. Our favorite artist is Why Don't We? And we went to so many of their concerts together. At one of the concerts, we decided to make a fan project for them, so we met up with some people online and passed around posters we made that said Chicago Loves You, which was cheesy, but it worked since the band took our posters on stage and talked about it, and one of them even said they were going to bring it home to their mom. That's one of my favorite things about concerts. It brings you closer to the artist and other fans. For some, concerts may seem like a waste of time, money, and overall may seem stupid. Not to me. I've grown as a person from going. I'm usually a very antisocial person, but going to concerts brought me out of my shell. I've made really strong bonds with complete strangers, and we all enjoyed music from people we idolize and thought we would never see in the flesh. From counting down the days until the concert, to stressing over what outfit to wear, to the excitement of the day of, and the post concert depression, those were the happiest days of my life. Meeting up with my internet friends from Twitter was crazy because we all know that our parents say to never talk to strangers online. But these people are my friends and I consider them family, and we all still talk to this day. All because of someone's music we enjoyed brought us together. In 2020, live music took a pause. COVID froze everything, and it took a huge toll on me and my friends. We didn't know what to do. We thought we weren't able to see each other, which sucked. We loved hugging and seeing each other and goofing off during and after the shows. The tickets we bought for the concerts that year were canceled, and we didn't know what we should do. We loved making fan projects, waiting outside in freezing weather, and meeting up with the artist and new people. Quarantine really sucked for us because live music was our home. It was the only way we could build relationships with one another and see each other because we all lived in different parts of the country. In 2021, when we heard that live music was finally coming back, we all got so excited. We were crying and just overall very happy that we were able to see each other again soon. Live music is a very tangible, human, emotional product that is more than just music. Music as a whole creates strong bonds and unforgettable memories. This I believe.